This is the Iowa Weather Report for Tuesday, April 1st, 2014. And now our first look at the 0Z GFS model run. At 1 p.m. this afternoon, we have one system moving through the Great Lakes, and that's moving into Canada. Another storm moving off of the Canadian Maritimes into the North Atlantic. Another system moving into the Pacific Northwest and the west coast of California. That'll be bringing some rain and mountain snow there. We have the system moving into the Great Lakes that brought us a little bit of severe weather around here and a little bit of rain. It brought blizzard conditions in the Dakotas and Minnesota. Highs today will be in the 40s and 50s, and that's going to be the case through the rest of the week. And it's also going to get quite rainy. As you see here on Wednesday, we could see some showers and maybe an embedded thunderstorm with readings in the 40s and lower 50s. Thursday, we could see a chance of some light rain. It'll be hit and miss on Thursday, as we'll be having one storm east of us and a low pressure center moving through Oklahoma that's going to be coming north and eastward here Thursday night into Friday, with some rain that could change over to a bit of a wintry mix or wet snow, especially Friday afternoon into Friday evening. Temperatures still in the 40s on Friday, maybe cooling off into the upper 30s. Saturday, we have another sunny day, but it's still going to be rather cool with highs in the near 40 in the northeast to lower 50s in the southwestern counties with plenty of sunshine. And then a disturbance comes in here on Sunday. Could kick off some showers around, highs in the 40s, 50s, maybe near 60 in the southwestern counties with some clouds and the rain around. And then on Monday, it's going to be partly to mostly cloudy. We have one system moving through the south. We have a disturbed pattern around here with some rain, a little bit of snow in the Dakotas. And then as we head off into next Tuesday, we have a trough digging in across the east with that low that was moving across the south, lifting up toward the northeast. And this is going to bring colder air down. It's not going to be overly cold, but by this point, overly cold in April means highs in the lower 40s. Some rain, maybe a little bit of sleet around. The storm moving up to the northeast could bring some rain and snow there. And warm weather in the west. Going into the extended period, on April 14th, we have pretty much a zonal flow with a cutoff feature over New Mexico. And with the pretty zonal flow from west to east, we have southerly winds, warmer air, seasonal readings likely in the 50s and lower 60s. With a storm developing to our south and west, it could bring some showers and thunderstorms in the plains and some mountain snow in the Rockies. The end of the forecast on April the 16th, we have a system over Kansas and Oklahoma. Pretty much still a zonal flow, as a lot of the cold air has finally been shunted up into Canada. This could have a low pressure center in western Oklahoma with some showers and thunderstorms. Could see severe weather, but this is still more than 2 weeks out. Have a system in Florida, one in the Great Lakes, and one off the west coast. Satellite image from last evening, we have the one storm moving out of Minnesota into Wisconsin and into Canada, with some showers and thunderstorms were along it and some snow in the backside, and the next system already coming in into the west coast. The watch warning map from last evening, we had some winter weather advisories in the Sierra Nevadas and in northeastern Nevada, some blizzard warnings continuing in the Dakotas, into Minnesota, and a little bit over down East Maine. Elsewhere it was fairly quiet. The QPF chart precipitation over the next 5 days through Saturday evening at 7 o'clock, showing precipitation amounts between about a half an inch in the far northwestern counties to maybe an inch and a half or more in the southeastern counties, mainly in the form of some rain.